Welcome back, and to news now overseas. The U.S. military has launched new airstrikes on Iran after President Donald Trump said U.S. forces would hit the country hard following an exchange of fire between both sides earlier this week. The U.S. Central Command said it began additional self-defense strikes at 5:15 p.m. Eastern Time on Wednesday, that's today, against multiple targets in Iran at the Commander-in-Chief's direction. According to CENTCOM, the strikes are in response to Iran's unwarranted and continued aggression. The U.S. also launched strikes on Iran on Tuesday after Trump said Tehran had downed a U.S. Army helicopter. Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps said it responded with strikes on U.S. bases in the region. Now, hours before the attack was launched, President Trump had warned the U.S. would hit Iran hard yesterday and hit them again hard today. Instability in the region once again. The Primetime News package continues with sports right after this break.